So earlier I talked about how in mindfulness, almost a stick, home base could be pretty much any sensation that you want to pay attention to. But you can also create your own home base. You can do this by imagining a visual or repeating a phrase in your head, or even kind of tonguing it with your mouth, whatever works for you. So you could picture yourself as a statue, for example, made out of marble. Every detail where it's meant to be. Or you could try saying something in your head like, aware of this body, I smile to my body.